We got some Jamaican food.
It's not my first time having Jamaican food, it's hers.
It's my first time trying Jamaican food. So we got mac and cheese. We went to this place called Nyam Min's Jamaican Cuisine
in Marietta.
I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly.
We spent $66.
I'm so excited about this, guys. Oh my gosh. I got the braised oxtails with rice and peas. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Look at that plate. And we got some...
Yep. Exactly what I was looking for. Jerk chicken, rice, peas, and plantains.
We're gonna try it and rate it 1 to 10. All right, so first I'm gonna try the rice because I'm a rice connoisseur.
It's good.
It tastes like some coconut in it. For sure, okay.
I like it, it's good.
The oxtails. This is really good. They got a little, this is probably cabbage.
Yeah.
This plate was $30. I'm gonna rate it based off of that. This is very homey. And if I had to rate it, we usually rate it together. Do you want to try it?
I'm gonna try it.
So, it's all of a bone.
Oof. Very well seasoned. Reminds me of the Jamaican spots up in the Gun Hill Road in New York.
What would you rate it?
A 9.
I would rate this an 8.5.
Why?
I think the price point.
I can see, yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Next, we're gonna try the jerk chicken.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna try with the rice.
Yeah.
It definitely needs like some citrus. I don't know.
Sauce. Like a sauce or something.
I would rate this a 7.5 out of 10. You?
I rated it an 8 because it needs a sauce. I don't know they had a
So
sauce.
go get the sauce.
Mac and cheese
The mac and cheese.
is definitely baked, so. Yeah.
This is how the mac and cheese looks. Okay.
Ooh. All right. Let me
It's
know.
kind of hard to get out.
Let me know you're ready.
Pretty good. It's a 7.5 for me.
Same. Very, very hot. Like it.
I really do like the oxtails. Thank you guys so much for watching. Overall, Jamaican food is pretty good.
It's good.
I think it's very similar to Dominican food.
Oh, very similar.
Would you come here again?
I would. You?
I would get this again. If I was like craving oxtails, this is a really good.
Next time,
It's a good place to go.
I'm getting the jerk burger next time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more.
Ciao. Que tenga buen día.